Hello coffee friends, my name is Tom from Tom's Coffee Corner, and today we're going to talk about the WDT tool from Normcore, one of my favorite aftermarket brands for coffee and espresso paraphernalia. So we're going to do an unboxing of this and see how it performs. Keep in mind, I'm going to put product links for this WDT tool from Normcore in the description box down below. Okay, so let's go ahead and just open up the box here. And before we do, let's read what the Weiss distribution technique really is. The Weiss distribution technique is a distribution method for espresso making. Using a fine needle or similar tool, the barista stirs the coffee while it sits in the portafilter. A funnel placed above the portafilter helps prevent spills. The stirring action breaks up any clumps and evens out the density of coffee within the puck. The result is reduced channeling and higher, more even extractions. Now, first of all, thumbs up to you guys at Normcore for a proper English translation. I know this is a Chinese company, and oftentimes the translations are not very good. This is good. Let's open up the box and see what it all comes with. So, of course, we've got the tool itself right there. It also comes with 5 extra needles, and it comes here with this magnet, which is branded Normcore, you see on there. And that's nice because you can peel off the sticker and put that on the side of your espresso machine, and then it will have a proper home. All right, onto the tool itself. You can see that it is branded here with Normcore. This is made out of a really nice anodized metal, and it feels premium. This does have a bit of a premium price, so it should feel nice. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And here you can see we've got a total of 9 of these needles. And they are pointed straight out, by the way. They don't flare, but rather are straight. These are very thin as well, and so they may bend. Only time will tell. Now if you take this apart, you will see these very fine threads here, and there are 2 gaskets inside. Removing the gaskets exposes the needles. Let's put it back together. And there you are. That is the Normcore WDT tool. Let's measure something. How long are the needles anyway? The needles are 49, probably about 50 millimeters. And let's check the weight. The weight is 36 grams. One important thing that I haven't mentioned yet is that these needles are not sharp on the end like some WDT tools are. So you don't have to be that concerned about these needles. You can touch them and they don't hurt. One thing to keep in mind is that this magnet is not super strong, so it can slide down a little bit. You gotta make sure to really get it in the right spot. So let's go ahead and put this to the test. All right, I've got 14.5 grams in there, and I'm just going to stir from the bottom up to distribute as well as I can. And this 3D printed funnel is also very helpful so that I don't make a humongous mess. Now that wasn't the prettiest shot in the world, but I did get some really excellent texture by using this WDT method. It's really well-rounded, nicely extracted shot. So does the WDT work? I would say yes. So the facet is, using the WDT does not always guarantee the most beautiful shot, but it does seem to give a more well-rounded, tastier shot. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful for you, and if so, please give the video a like and check out my other content. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel. It's totally free.